Good afternoon everyone. Today we will be doing question 2 to 6 of exercise 4.1. So first question is, how much should be subtracted from 974 to get 778? So he wants to have 974, he's having actually 974 and he wants to get 778. So what should be subtracted from this number so that we can get this? Okay, now I will give you a simple example for this. For example, if he wants to have, if he is already having 10 chocolates and he wants to have 8 chocolates, so how many chocolates should he give so that it became 8? So like this only 974. So you will subtract here 974 you will write first and 778 you will write afterwards. So now as you can see that 4 is smaller than 8, so it cannot be subtracted. So that's why we will borrow. So 1 we will write in front of 4. This will become 14 and 14 minus 8 is possible. So 14 minus 8 is 6. Then afterwards here we are having 6 already, as we have given one number to this number. So this is having 6 and here we have written 7. So 6 is smaller than 7. So that's why we will borrow one number from here. So it will become 16. 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, so here as we have given one number to this, so this become 8. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So it means that 196 should be subtracted from 974 to get 778. Okay. Similarly, the second question is, how much should be subtracted to 68, how much should be added to 68 to get 800? Okay, so he is having 68 chocolates and he wants to have 800 chocolates now. Okay, so 68 is already with him, 68 chocolates are there with him and 800 he wants. So how many chocolate does he get so that it can become 800? So how you will do this question? 800 you will write above and 68 you will subtract from this. So 10 minus 8 will become 10 minus 8, as you know 0 is written here. 8 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we will take carry. Here also we are having 0, so that's why we will take carry from borrow from here. So 8 will give one number here, so this will become 10 first. This will become 10 first. As he is giving one number to this number, so this will remain 9 and this will become 10. So 10 minus 8 is 2, then 9 minus 6 is 3, and then 7 minus 0 is 0. So here as nothing is written, so we will say yes, 732 is the answer. So we should have 732. 732 should be added to 68 to get 800. Okay, so 738 2 should be added to 68 to get 800. I have written wrong here, it will be 68 here. Okay, so next question that you are having is word problem. A 500 meter race needs to be completed in 1.5 minutes. So there is 500 meter race and Shreya finishes the race within time. श्रेया ने ये रेस जो है कंप्लीट कर लिया. सो मीन्स शी हैज़ कवर्ड 500 मीटर्स. शी हैज़ कवर्ड ऑल दी 500 मीटर्स. Now Rohan could cover only 416 meters. Rohan could only cover 416, means he has not completed his race. So now in the given time, how many meters is Rohan short of completing the race? So कितना distance अभी रहता है so that he can complete his race? रोहन को कितना distance और cover करना पड़ेगा so that he can complete his race? So that's why I have made this statement. For this meters and kilometers, we can write distance. Okay, so distance covered by Shreya 500 meters. Distance covered by Rohan is 416 meters. Okay, so now what is the distance left to complete the race by Rohan? That is 500 minus 416. So as you can see here, so I have written 500 above and 416. So now 10, as 6 cannot be subtracted from 0, so that's why we will borrow. Here also 0 is written, so we will take from here. So 5 will give 1 to here, so it will become 10. 10 will give 1 here, so it will become 9. So that's why I have written 9, simply 9 here. So 10 minus 6 is equal to 4. 9 minus 1, 8. 4 minus 4 is 0. So 84 meter is left to complete the race by Rohan. Okay, so 84 meter is left to complete the race by Rohan. Okay. Now the next question, that is your homework. Sham has 478 stickers and his friend Ram has 689. Who has more stickers? So out of these two, who has more stickers and how many? तो कितने ज़्यादा हैं ये आपको बताना है, ठीक है. I hope that you can do it by yourself now. So the last question that we have covered today is Rohan has 3 cards with number 6, 3, 4. Make the greatest and the smallest 3 number and using the number using the cards. Also find the difference between the two numbers. So you have to make the greatest and smallest number by these digits and then you have to find the difference. Okay. So for this, firstly I have made greatest number, that is 643. 643. Okay. Smallest number, that is 346. Okay, I hope that you remember that how we used to make smallest and greatest numbers. Then the difference between the two numbers. So now we will subtract 3 now. As you can see that 6 cannot be subtracted from 3. So that's why what we will do is we will write 13 minus 6. We will borrow from here. So 13 minus 6 will be 7. Okay. So then afterwards what will be left? 13 again, here 3 left. So 4 cannot be subtracted from 3, so that's why we will borrow from here. So 13 minus 4 will be 9 and here we will be left with 5. So 5 minus 3 is 2. So it means the difference between these two number will be 297. 297 will be the answer. Okay, I hope that students you have understood the questions and you can do it in the notebook. Bye bye.